Alright, today I am going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter of a 2003 Honda Insight. This should be the same for all 2000 to 2006 Honda Insights. So here we go. First you're going to get a 8mm wrench and remove these two little bolts or screws at the bottom of your glove box. And it's going to be pretty loose because there's no attachment at the bottom anymore. You kind of turn it sideways and it will come out. So this is where things get interesting. So this plastic bar is supposed to be cut out when you replace the cabin air filter, and mine is still intact. So this air filter is probably original, and it has 182,000 miles on it. So it's probably going to be disgusting. So you do need to remove these screw bolts as well. The way Honda decided to design this is kind of strange. So there's this metal bar behind this plastic bar, and the metal bar has to be removed. But with the metal bar removed, the plastic bar is still in the way. And so you actually have to cut the plastic bar loose or out. So there's two more 8mm bolts underneath here. So these are 10mm back here. Okay. So that's loose. And now we have to cut this off. So I'm just going to use these 10 snips. Okay. So here's the moment of truth. See how nasty this thing is. This is original cabin air filter. It's got almost 182,000 miles on it. Never been changed. Moment of truth. Wow. That is disgusting. Whew. Never been changed before. There may or may not have been some sort of animal living back there at one point. That is disgusting. So I'm going to get that changed with a new one. I'm going to kind of vacuum this up. Alright. Alright. So here's the old one. Here's the new one. So I gotta slide this thing, or this filter, inside this little plastic housing. Yeah, terribly disgusting. Now we got that done. Slide it back in. Make sure the arrow is pointing in that direction. Okay, and put your little cap back on. So it hooks on the top first and then bottom second. And then this next up is the glove box. So just turn it kind of sideways and get it back up in there. Alright, that is it. That is how you replace the cabin air filter on a 2000 to 2006 Honda Insight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more future videos. Thanks.